Marian wants to become a fisherman. But how many fish does he need to sell before he actually makes profit? Let's find out.
Marian spent 50,000 rupees to buy this boat and fishing gear. This is his fixed cost. Money he pays only once, no matter how many fish he catches.
Every time Marian goes fishing, he spends 300 rupees on fuel and bait. This is his variable cost. It changes depending on how many trips he makes.
Marian sells each fish for 500 rupees. This is his revenue, Ria, the money he earns per fish sold.
As Marian sells more fish, his revenue grows. But his costs also add up. Where do these two lines meet? Fixed cost divided by contribution. 50,000 divided by 200 equals 250. Marian needs to catch and sell 250 fish to break even.
After those 250 units is pure profit. That's the power of understanding your break-even point.
That's the break-even point explained simply. Keep fishing for more knowledge, follow for more.